Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you these tools that are useful in MacBook Air. So basically, as you can see at the top, both top corner, I can just put my mouse to the corner and the application tab will come out. And down below, I will have my note, and down here, I will have my window tabs, and up there will be sleep my PC. So basically, you can set this up using MacBook. It is more convenient because you can setting all kinds of things to be done when you are moving to the corner. So basically, just go to settings, then go to desktop and dock, and scroll down to the bottom. You can find hot corners, and here you can just customize the hot corner for the application. Up, down, and left, right. So basically you can customize based on your preference. So yeah, that's for today's video. Thank you.